Hi, I'm Marcin from Rockstar Agency. If you're watching this, your business maybe has some upcoming digital projects, perhaps a new website, an online store, or rebranding. If so, we can help. For 8 years, our graphic designers have been implementing only thought-out, modern, and aesthetic graphic designs. Our developers create dedicated solutions using secure technologies. Our experience ensures effectiveness. We've met every single deadline for every single project in the last 3 years. Check out our website to see all feedback from our satisfied customers. Click on the button below the video to leave contact info so we can talk to you.